Konnichiwa, Satoko desu. Welcome back to my easy Japanese lesson. Well, starting on today's lesson, we are going to learn Japanese writing. That's so exciting, right? I know it seems so overwhelming when you read or see the Japanese writing, but we're going to take step at a time. So be patient, okay? I know it's not like overnight kind of thing, but every week we're going to build one characters at a time. And of course, if you want to learn quicker, message me and we can do one-on-one customized lesson online as well. So now let's get started. So Japanese writing, we have 3 different ways of writing. So the first one is Hiragana, and the second one is katakana, and this one is normally used for foreign words. And third one is kanji. That's a Chinese characters. So normally 90%, almost 95% of the time in a newspaper or and Japanese books and stuff, it is a combination of hiragana and kanji. And just for the foreign words, we use katakana. Okay? Now the Japanese reading. So we read left to right, top to bottom, the same as English. And also we have a traditional way of reading as well. So that is top to bottom, right to left. You got it? Top to bottom and then right to left. And so normally this is for Japanese newspapers and Japanese books. So I have a Japanese book I wanted to show you guys. So that's a Japanese book and it opens to your right. And then you flip to the next page. So this is how it goes. And so I have an English book too. English book, it opens to your left. And you know how to read this, right? So back to Japanese book, it opens to your right. And you see it? It goes from here, top to bottom, right to left. Top to bottom, right to left. And that's how you read. So now you see that difference, right? So it goes opposite ways. So those are the differences. Complete 100% different, opposite way. And now we're going to start writing now. So first we're going to start with hiragana. So hiragana has 46 basic characters. And the reason why I said basic is sometimes if you add 2 dots on the right top corner, it sounds same character becomes a different sound. So and then sometimes you write like a little character and then you pronounce it differently. So that's why I said 46 basic characters, okay? And now Japanese hiragana and also katakana has a table. So when we were kids, they give us a table, so it kind of gave us a bundle, and so it's easier to learn and stuff, right? So the table contains the bundle of 5 characters and top to bottom, and then 12 lines from right to left. So the first line, this is a very fundamental of the hiragana, and this is what we are going to start. The first line is a, I, U, E, O. And you notice that's all vowels. And this is the very basic fundamental, okay? And we're going to start from a sound. A. So this is a. So Japanese character, each character has a writing order. And I mean, as long as you can read and write, if in the end it looks good, I mean, it doesn't matter. But Japanese has a lot of traditions and all those things. So this is how we learn, and I want to teach you guys the right way of writing. Okay, so the first a, and let's start on the first stroke. The first stroke is a horizontal line. So from left to right, the horizontal line. And then the second stroke, you're going to cross it from top to bottom, just like writing the cross. But it's not exactly straight. If you see it, it's a curve, a little bit of curve towards your left, okay? And now the third stroke, that might be a little bit tough. You're starting with, this cross line. It's almost like a 45 angle, and then you're starting to towards your left, and you're going to cross the second stroke, and you have a little bit of a line coming up, and then you're going up and down, but make sure this part is crossed as well. So those are the crossing points, okay? So first, second, and third. So this is up. Now you're able to read the up and write the up. So keep writing, and so your hand will memorize this up, okay? Now, words using up. So, now you know right? So, it means love. I know it says AI, but that's I. And if you notice, the first two characters of Hiragana is I. So next week, you'll be able to write love in Japanese. That's I. And next one is ao. It means blue. And again, if you see o, so that's blue in Japanese. You'll be able to write blue in Japanese pretty quick. And then now, aka, it means red. Aki, it means fall or autumn. And ame, so if you say ame, it means rain. And if you say ame, it means candy. It writes the same, but it pronounced where the accent is a bit different. Ame, it means candy. Ame, it means rain. You hear the bit of difference? And now, lastly, of course you know this one. Arigato. The first a is this a. Arigato. It means thanks. So today's lesson was Japanese writing and starting with a. Thank you for watching, guys. どうもありがとうございました. If you still haven't, please subscribe. And if you like, please press the like button. ありがとう. And I'll see you guys on our next lesson. じゃあね. Bye bye.